Hey guys, it's Tibbs from Purple New Juice, and I'm here with the finished product. This is the sewing machine converted in to a table. It's a granite mosaic. It still needs to be a little bit of wash to get some of the residue of the grout, and another coat of stain to get a little closer match to the original drawers and everything. But this is it. The domestic base. There was a metal pull-out door here, but we didn't go with that. But we have the Brazilian cherry on the outer edges here. And we repurposed this antique sewing machine into a table. I think it has a lot more use than a outdated sewing machine. I think it's more desirable than a sewing machine at this point. Nobody really wants to be using foot pedals when they have electricity. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little project. It was fun. I love saving the granite. Otherwise that would have just ended up in a landfill, clean fill. Somebody just stuffing it somewhere to get it out of the way and use it as a filler. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I appreciate if you'd like, share, subscribe, and if you like this stuff, and we'll continue to do some other projects like this. Thanks again, guys. Tibbs out.